So in this video you'll be learning some more about how to ripen your unripe tomatoes naturally. This is my small garden, and we've realized that our little friends here, they mostly feed on our tomatoes, especially when they ripe. So to keep that, we mostly harvest them when they are fully matured and green like this. We harvest them from the plant to prevent our little friends from getting ahead of us to harvest the tomatoes. So we'll be harvesting these ones, and we will take them through the process so that in case you want to replicate, you know how to go about things. So as you can see, they are here to cause distractions, and they are here to harvest what we have, but we've taken the lead. So we'll be taking this one inside, and I'll be showing you how you can effectively ripen this without giving access to our little friends here to harvest it ahead of you. So this is another giant tomato plant that we do harvest most of the tomatoes that we use in our daily lives from. This one is ready. This is also ready as well. There are a lot of them. We're harvesting these ones so that we ripen them inside. So this is how it looks like. It's giant and very nice. These ones are not almost ready yet, so we'll be harvesting them green, and we'll be doing the ripening process in the house. As I was telling you earlier on, you can see our little soldiers around. Any ripe one, they try to harvest it before us, and this time around we want to rather get ahead of them. So let's go inside. How to ripen. Tomatoes ripen best in confined, temperature controlled areas with a good airflow and low humidity. Mostly I keep my tomatoes in a breathable paper bags or box at a temperature of around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. I then add another ripe fruit like a banana, tomato, pineapple, or any other ripe fruits to speed up the ripening process. Both the ripe fruits and the banana naturally gives off a gas called ethylene gas. This is a ripening agent or ripening compound which will naturally hasten or quicken the ripening process of our green tomatoes. The green fruits should ripen in about 3 to 10 or 14 days at temperatures 18 to 21 degrees Celsius, depending on the environment provided for the ripening process. These 3 ripe tomatoes will be distributed evenly inside the box to be our ripening agent. These will help release the ethylene gas for the evenly ripening of our green fruits. That is, the box will be closed and stored in a warm, dark area in my kitchen, so that after 3 days we will go back and check it up. After 3 days, these are our tomatoes, and let's look at how they are looking. Well, most of them are on their way ripening. Those on the top, most of them are ripe now, and those beneath are yet to ripe. So this is the third day. Like I said earlier, I'll be putting these ones back to the dark cool place and observe it after 3 more days. So let's close it, send it back where we took it from. We are going to check up on our tomatoes. Come over here. Voila. So today marks exactly the 5th day of this ripening process. So let's open it up. Wow. As you can see, everything is fully ripe after the 6th day. Very nice, succulent. You were able to ripen these unripe ones without any chemical, without any synthetic chemical. We just made use of the natural gas called ethylene, which is produced when these fruits ripe. So once we place 2 or 3 ripe ones inside here, we were sure that the ripening process will begin in the rest. Since when they are ripe, this ethylene gas is being produced into the atmosphere. So since it was covered, the ethylene gas was trapped inside. That is why it made it possible for the rest of the tomatoes to get ripe. So you can try these ones too at home. These are simple DIY techniques that you can use in your various homes. There's no need going to buy expensive chemicals or any inorganic stuff to help ripen your health effects or risk into your life. You can try this at home and let us know the feedback. This has always been NIMARKFARMS agridiy.